hombre. I got a bit of a situation.
Here he comes! The king of the rebels!
Annika, Selden, and Luch. What is this?
Rodriguez. See that over there? Apparently it's some sort of scientific facility, right, Texas?
That's the Stingray, an offshore research station, one of the 3 major facilities in what used to be the Eden Corporation network.
For a dead company, they sure get around.
They were doing research on weather and electricity. Rumor has it they were trying to control lightning. But around 20 years ago, something went haywire. They ended up creating a massive electrical storm instead. Swallowed them whole. And now, poof, turns back up after the last big storm. The one thing they did get right was something called the Eden Spark, a crazy science weapon that could shoot lightning. And you know who else took an interest? The Black Hand.
So you're telling me the Black Hand now has a doomsday weapon next door to Medici? I'll be right back.
Hey, tough guy. No way you can just lone wolf this one. Also, they seem to be sitting on some serious shit. Portable Bavarium shields. And I want those. Luch here has kindly offered to build you a badass boat to take on the Black Hand.
Well, I say you do need something fast, maneuverable, with some firepower.
So here's my offer, Rodriguez. We break in, take down all the bad guys, you get your lightning toy, Luch and I split all the Bavarian loot. Deal?
Just to be clear, you build me a badass boat, I save Medici, and for my trouble, I get a lightning gun. Deal me in.
Okay, Rodriguez. Some of my crew are delivering your ride right about now.
All right. Where to?
Texas, you got those coordinates?
Here you go, buckaroo.
Okay, so where are we heading?
First things first, Rodriguez. Stand a chance? You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Much talking. Bigger is not so important. Faster, tougher, more firepower? Nah.
Sounds interesting, Luch. What do you need?
You need me. Your friendly neighborhood one-stop shop for quality intel and other military sundries. Now, I've heard tell about a super-fast jet boat being built by our buddies, the Black Hand. The agency's been eyeing it for a while. It's in transit on a cargo plane. We'll be waving at them soon, all right?
So Rico, do your thing. Hijack the plane, steal the boat, bring it to Luch.
Much talking. Attack boat without weapons is just boat. I need armaments, missiles, machine gun. Sheldon, you said you will get. How?
I got this covered, my former commie friend. Uncle Sheldon has connections.
Then get to it, Uncle Sheldon. Rico, you get the plane. Luch, just sit tight. So Rico, Luch, you two already met?
Yeah, Luch and I worked together. Briefly.
Who's talking? Nah, very briefly.
Target in sight. Hey, is this the best plan we could come up with?
Actually, yes. This is our only shot. You lose that plane, no superboat.
Sheldon, what intel do you have on that plane? I expect you welcome.
No, don't worry about it, amigo. It's a run-of-the-mill transport flight. Hop in and they'll be scared shit.
So much for your run-of-the-mill transport, Shell.
What? How the hell?
Rodriguez, hurry up and jettison the cargo.
Guess I'll miss the rest of the in-flight movie. I have the boat. You're going to love it.
Much talking. That is good. But still, I have no weapons. Where are weapons?
I'm on it, Luciano. Haven't you Ruskies ever heard of a little something called patience? You can't just snap your fingers and get high-tech secret weapons. So, until I do figure out how to procure them for you, sit tight. I'll holler when I'm done with the grocery shop, and Sheldon out.
Annika, what's next?
Access codes. The Black Hand locked down Stingray when they took over. My crew has tracked down one of the Black Hand security officers.
You guys have been busy.
The target is currently on the mainland, traveling in a convoy. I sent a few of my guys there for support. Get the access codes, and make sure no one escapes.
Special delivery for a Mr. Luch?
My crew is already in place. We're just waiting for you.
Talking. Yes. This boat will do just fine.
Hey, Luch, why are you doing this?
Luch talking. Dima always talked highly of you, Rodriguez. She said you would make a difference. That's why she asked me to help you at Vigilante.
You two have history.
Talking. We worked at the same facility, became friends. Then I helped her escape the Ravel.
That was good work, Luch.
Well, I am officially the world's most unsung hero, selflessly working behind the scenes solely for the benefit of frontman Rico Rodriguez. I've acquired some weapons for your boat, and I have dropped them off with your friend Luch. What little gang you got there?
Sheldon, if you're trying to convince me that you're reliable and faithful, I don't think we have enough time on this mission. Or any mission.
Game on. Convoys en route to your location. Plant some explosives on that bridge and blow it on my mark. When they're trapped, we attack. Steady, Rico. Wait for it. Now. We missed.
Target acquired.
Alright, game on. Convoy's en route to your location. Plant some explosives on that bridge and blow it on my mark. When they're trapped, we attack. Steady, Rico. Wait for it. Now. Alright, game on. Convoy's en route to your location. Plant some explosives on that bridge and blow it on my mark. When they're trapped, we attack. Steady, Rico. Wait for it. Now.
Okay, that's all of them. Now, where are the Stingray credentials?
The hell would I know? Look for a briefcase or something.
Briefcase. Check.
Good. Look, gotta go. I've got to steal a Black Hand boat for Phase 2. Sheldon will brief you on the rest.
Sheldon here. Get to this Black Hand dry dock. You'll find something you definitely want to steal from them. So, this dry dock is where they fit so-called electrical field generators to their boats. Look, you guys want to sneak into Stingray, your real problem is the late Eden Corporation's atmospheric modulator. after the whole accident slash storm debacle, there was some sort of electrical phenomenon, differential discharge or something. Look, the point is, the big zapper went completely bonkers.
So when you get too close, you get zapped, huh? What about the placard?
I'm glad you asked, hombre. Attach one of those generator devices to your boat, you sail in and out of Stingray without getting barbecued.
Ah, so those generators cancel the electrical differential and prevent the atmospheric modulator from discharging onto their boats. I see. So Sheldon, what are you getting out of these?
The pride of making the world a better place, hombre. I'm just here to make sure that lightning gun thing doesn't fall into the wrong hands. You know me.
Yes, I do know you.
I'm not doing this for that Swedish would-be pirate, that's for sure.
I don't give a shit who you're doing it for. We all have our reasons.
I'm at the dry dock, and I've got company.
Yep. You don't want to tip off the Black Hand about our plans.
Understood. Here. Now, how do I bring this back?
One of my crew is on his way with the chopper. He'll figure out the rest.
Who's talking? Perhaps use tether device to hold generator with helicopter? He's robust enough.
electrical field generator coming up.
Not bad, Rodriguez.
What have you been up?
Nothing really, just commandeered a black hand boat.
Another boat.
The rocket boat is too obvious. It's meant to attack and wreak havoc. It's the Rico boat. But you need a different one to sneak in, so Trojan horse boat. All part of the plan, Rodriguez.
Good talking. Rocket boat almost finished. Need more time.
Hey, one last thing. I brought you one of those voice modulators in Black Canyon.
Ah, this should be fun. Target neutralized.
Let me see here. Okay, right again. be a jet engine, improved controls, better agility, and of course, missiles. All she needs now is a cool name. It's a boat and it has rockets. How about rocket boat? Wait. The luchador. So, let's go to the stingray. See what's on that plan.
Great plan. Wanna die?
What did she say?
She said, I'd say.
You know me.
Sheldon, you want to chime in here?
Well, this is what we know. There are 5 satellite stations surrounding the Stingray base, heavily guarded by the Black Hand. I'm not sure how that works exactly, but they act as safety systems for data from them in any unprotected object. So what's the plan?
Take the rocket boat and knock out those stations. And then the real work begins.
You mean with the luchador? Not a problem.
Hey, Luch, what's in that box?
Yeah.